Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Yes from Wreck-It Ralph on Dress Room Press for themes, maybe something like video games or something like that. So I'm just going to remove everything. Hopefully, remember, I didn't really put a lot of items. I also used one VIP item for this, by the way, and it's the glasses. So you can kind of replace the glasses with something else if you don't have it. So let me just remove everything and hopefully I remember. Great. Grab this hair and I think I just colored it 1A4593 for all of it. Then I used this top in this purple in silk in 4F3C8E. Grab these glasses in the see-through one and color it this color first, 29C6BB, and then I colored the rest gray. For the boots, I used these boots in, I think, this 1A4593 and 222133, and then colored the rest that same color, like that. And then I grab this dress in that same purple in silk. And then I colored this 39425B in metallic. And then for this skirt, I think I did blue in silk. And then the rest I just did the same purple. For the outfit, for the coat, sorry, I used this in this blue, I think, 1A4593, and then this coat too in the, I think I did the darker purple, and then I did the blue again, and then I did the purple. And I think that's it. You can add more stuff obviously, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.